Selling covered puts on Robinhood, also known as a cash-secured put, is a strategy where you sell a put option while holding enough cash in your account to purchase the underlying stock if assigned. This approach involves selling a put option and setting aside sufficient cash to buy the stock at a strike price if the option is exercised, allowing you to potentially acquire the stock at a lower price while earning a premium for taking on the obligation. To execute this strategy on Robinhood, first ensure that option trading is enabled in your account and you have the necessary approval level. Next, select the stock you are interested in potentially owning. Then click on the Trade button and select Trade Options. Choose the expiration date from the calendar. Then select the Sell option and choose Put. Select a strike price at which you are comfortable buying the stock, and enter the number of contracts you want to sell, as well as the limit price. Review the details of your order, including the premium you will receive, and submit the order. It is essential to ensure you have enough cash in your account to cover the purchase of 100 shares per contract at the strike price, as this will be required if the option is exercised. By following these steps, you can sell covered puts on Robinhood and potentially earn a premium while acquiring stock at a lower price.